What is up, you guys? I am Stacy, aka Pretty Stace Face, and we are back with this really cute, sexy, sultry look that I wore on my little date. Jumping right into it, I start out with my eyelids already primed with concealer. You can see that in my previous video on how I did my brows. So first you want to start out with a nice transition color that's close to your skin tone. I'm using the color Pooter from the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette. And once that is down, I like to go in with a darker shade because I want to begin to smoke out my eyelid a little bit. So I use the color Soda Pop, and I'm putting that closer to my lower lid. Now I'm going back in with the first brush that I was using just to help blend out those harsh lines. Now I'm going to take that shade Abyss and deposit that into the outer V of my eye. Once that is down, I'm going back in with the blending brush and just blending that out a little bit. Blending is key. You want to go back and forth between the brush that you're using to deposit the color and then a clean brush to blend it out. Now I'm taking the color Faint and putting that on my lower lid. Packing that in. Oh, she cute or whatever. She cute. Now I'm going back in with Abyss just to darken the corners up just a little bit more. Give me a little bit more, dramaticness. Now to hydrate my skin, I'm taking my Mario Badescu finishing spray. And I'm going to spray that first and let that penetrate before I put my primer on. Yeah, shit wasn't trying to focus. I got a little annoyed. You can see it in my face. But it is what it is. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty No Filter Primer. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Becker Matte Primer. And I'm just going to put that into my T-zone, where I get my most oiliest. And after I rub that in, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. And I'm just going to cover up my bags and my dark circles, my little Gucci bags under my eyes. Yes, them bitches got to go. Got to get up out of here. Okay? Out of here. So I'm just going to put the Cool Tan under my eyes. And then I'm going to take a angled eyeliner brush, or whatever type of brush you want to use it for. And I'm going to sharpen up the corners of my eye. I like that crisp line when I'm doing like a sultry smoky eye. So yeah, I'm just going to run that under my eyes and sharpen up that line. And cute. And just blending that out. Alright, now I'm taking an orange corrector. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. And I'm just going to cover up my dark marks that I have on my forehead and around my mouth. The orange corrector is basically used to cancel out dark pigmentation. So anything that might have like a blue tint to it, like veins and stuff like that, or if you just really have a dark mark on your forehead and you're around my color, this will be a good corrector for you. If you're a little bit lighter than me, you can get more of a peachy tone corrector. And I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. Alright, now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355. I was going to mix these two shades together, but I didn't need to. So I'm using a 355 with a kabuki brush from Morphe. Okay, so once I'm done stippling that on, I'm going to take my MAC Patrick Star Translucent Powder and I'm just going to run that underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Press Powder in 338. Excuse me, it's 360. And I'm putting that on the outer perimeters of my face. And just on the outer parts of my nose, giving me a slight contour. Now I'm taking my MAC Blush and Pinch Me. And now my MAC Blush and Sketch. And I'm using Sketch more as a contour color. Make them cheeks pop, you feel me? And now I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark. And I'm going to focus that on top of the translucent powder and other center areas of my face. And now I'm going to use my NYX matte eyeliner. And now I'm going to run MAC Squid underneath my eye. Also put it in the waterline. And now I'm taking MAC Lip Scrumptious and Summerberry, and I'm going to exfoliate my lip. And now I'm using MAC Insta Curl Lash Mascara right before I apply my lashes. And for my highlighter, I'm using Artist Couture LeBron's. And I put my highlighter right over my blush, like directly over top of my blush and on the center parts of my face. And now I'm lining my lips with MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And now I'm using MAC Oyster Girl Lip Gloss. I'm blending that in. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. Everything is at Pretty Stace Face. I'm just running that highlighter back over my Cupid's bow. Now using that NYX liquid liner, I'm just going back over my moles and making them dark again. She ready. Oh, don't do that. Stop it. Knock it off. Okay, and click, clack, boom. There she is. That is the end look. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.